guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aditi, and if you're seeing me for the first time, then I make videos on skincare, makeup and lifestyle. So today's video is very special because it's a Karwachauth makeup look. Yes, so I came up with this beautiful red lips and red eye makeup look, and this is great for Diwali also if you want to just dress up and look stunning in your Diwali outfit. So you can go for this makeup look. You can change the colors as per your preference. So yeah, this is what the video will be about. Also, I'm wearing this saree from my mom's closet. This is a Banarasi saree which she bought from Kolkata, and I'm wearing this Jhumkas. These Jhumkas are from a local market and I got them for around 600 bucks. I don't know about the pricing of the saree, but I will ask her and put it in the description box for you all. I'm also wearing these bangles. These I got from Lajpat Nagar for like 100-200 bucks, and I'm also wearing a red bindi to complete the whole look. So without wasting much of your time, just let's get into the video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. It will mean the world to me. Also, like this video and watch my other videos. They are mostly vlogs, so you might like my life and how I live it maybe, and also comment if you want to do any other videos. So thank you so much for tuning in, and kursi ki peti band lijiye, and let's get started with the video. To start the makeup, I'm gonna prep my skin with this L'Oreal cream. This is gel based cream, and this primer from Swiss Beauty. It's a silicone primer, really good for oily skin people just like me. And I'm using this Wet n Wild concealer in the shade medium, and I'm just applying it all over my eyelids to make sure that I have a clear canvas to start the eye look. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fill my brows using this Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. I'm using the dark ash brown shade to fill in my brows, and I'm using the same concealer to conceal the edges of the brows to make sure I'm getting a perfect shape, and just blending the concealer on my lid and around my eyebrows using a blender, and applying Maybelline's loose powder. It's a Fit Me loose powder. And I'm starting the eye makeup look using this palette from Color Studio. It's from the brand Beauty Glazed. I'm using this color. This is like a orangish shade for the transition of my eyes. I'm putting it on the crease area of my eyes, and I'm blending it with the help of a puffy brush. It's all about blending, guys. You have to make sure that you're going very soft-handed with your eyes, because otherwise your eyes will look a bit cakey in terms of color deposit. So I'm just going very little. I'm taking very less products to make sure I'm getting the look I am assuming I will get. So yeah, I'm just trying to blend this reddish color now around the crease area to give a depth. Now I'm done with both of the eyes. Now I'm gonna fill this pinkish glitter color in between of my lid area to give it a hint of a glitter. It looks good during festive season or anything with Diwali, Karwachauth. You can wear this look as per your preference. And now I'm just gonna using these two shades. This is the brown shade and a dark pink shade at the edges of my eyes to give it a depth, as this was missing. The depth was missing from the look, so I just added that with a hint of a brown and a dark pink color. And I'm just now highlighting my eyebrow bone so that the eye look can be completed. All done. Now it's mascara time. I'm using this Maybelline's mascara. I just love applying mascara every time. I just cannot do without it. So yeah, I'm just applying the same on both of my eyes. And for next step, I'm gonna use some falsies, and here you go with the falsies. It's like a transition, you guys. Zip, I'm done with falsies. So these are really good lashes. I got it from Amazon. We'll put the link below. It looks great with festive outfits or makeup whatsoever. I'm done with eye makeup. It's time to prep my skin for the base. So I'm just gonna start up with the concealer. I'm just color correcting my face using this purple concealer palette. It's a color correcting palette. So yeah, I'm just using the green color concealer around my face area because I have a lot of redness on my face. I get a lot of acne and the marks and everything. Don't get me started, guys. I have a acne prone skin. So yeah, I just have to do this step before I go for heavy makeup to make sure my acne marks are concealed. So next I'm using this foundation from Maybelline. It's a Super Stay foundation. I'm the shade 220 Natural Beige. Applying this one pump of foundation with the help of a buffing brush all over my face and on my neck area. Guys, I know you must be thinking it looks quite white on me, but trust me, this foundation oxidizes. So I chose a shade lighter to my skin tone so that it can oxidize after some time and I can get my perfect shade. Next, I'm using the same concealer from Wet n Wild and concealing the usual areas. And I'm contouring my face using a cream contour stick. This is from NY Bay by Shakti Mohan. I got it from Purple. So yeah, this is how the contour is going on. Just blending my concealer using the sponge and the bronzer next using the same sponge. The technique of the bronzer, you just have to go upwards, not downwards. This is how your contour will look good and will sculpt your face according. So makeup is tricky, guys. It's not easy. It takes a lot of time and a lot of dedication to get a perfect look. And I'm just blending my jawline area and getting rid of all the lines I created with the contour. Done with the contour and concealing. It's time to set it. I'm just gonna bake my under eyes using the same Fit Me loose powder. I'm setting my concealer all over. I applied it. And to set my contour, I'm using this bronzer from Wet n Wild Duo. I'm just setting my contour and bronzing it up. Guys, if you use cream based products for your contour and your bronzer, like your concealer, you have to go with something powderish to make sure everything is concealed and sealed. So this is how the contour looks so far. I'm in love with this look, guys. And for my eyes, under eyes, I'm using this. This is actually not an eye pencil. This is a lip liner. I got it from Brick, New York. I will link it in the description box. It's in the shade reddish. So yeah, I just used it because it was matching my eye look. So yeah, why not? We can use lip liners as eye pencil as long as it's cruelty free and good for your eyes. Next, I'm using this Wet n Wild Catsuit metallic eyeshadow in shade Champagne, if I'm not wrong. I'll link it below to give a pop inside my eye area. Now I'm using this MegaGlo blush duo and using the coral shade, a little bit of blush to make sure I'm getting the flushed look. As it is a festive season, you have to look pinky, why not? And using the same lip liner, using the same lip liner, I'm gonna line my lips. As the formula of this lip liner is great. I got it in my fab bag. And I'm just gonna line my lips and fill it in a little bit. Great. The lips look good so far. Next, I'm gonna use this lipstick. This is a Crayon lipstick from Sugar. I will link the shade below because I don't remember actually. It's a beautiful pinkish shade. Not even pink, it's more of a maroonish shade. Like, it's really good for festive season. So yeah, it will look great with your sarees, suits, anarkalis, anything. So I'm just using a little bit of powder on my lips to make sure the lipstick is matte and a little light because it was looking very dark before. For my blush and my blush is done. For my highlighter, I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette. This is the Goddess palette, guys. It gives you glow. Like, look at the glow. The highlighter is so pigmented. It's one of my favorite. Like, it's a perfect dupe for Champagne Pop from Anastasia, if I'm not wrong. It's a great highlighter. In budget, you can not expect more.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
This is it for the look, guys. This is how the makeup has turned out. I'm in love with it. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and comment and like as well. I'll see you in the next video now. Bye bye.